Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. After a very long time I'm coming back with my video that is absolutely belongs to the geography, and this is the class 11th geography practical linear scale. So today we will learn about how to draw a linear scale with the proper statement in Bengali as well as in English. বাংলা এবং ইংলিশ দুটো বিভাগেই আমি পরিষ্কার করে বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করেছি. Hope you will like it. So stay tuned with me. How to draw a linear scale. The question is asking us draw a linear scale where primary divisions are 10 km and secondary divisions are 2 km. Total length of the scale is 50 km and the RF is given 1:4 lakh. বাংলায় একটি রৈখিক স্কেল অঙ্কন করো যার মুখ্য ভাগ 10 কিলোমিটার মানে প্রাইমারি ডিভিশন 10 কিলোমিটার এবং গৌণ ভাগ 2 কিলোমিটার মানে সেকেন্ডারি ডিভিশন 2 কিলোমিটার। স্কেলটির মোট দৈর্ঘ্য টোটাল লেন্থ অফ দি স্কেল ইজ 50 কিলোমিটার আর RF হচ্ছে 1:4 lakh। তো কিভাবে আমরা এটা আঁকবো? একটি রৈখিক স্কেল, ইংলিশে হচ্ছে দি লিনিয়ার স্কেল। ফার্স্ট স্টেপ, according to the given RF 1:4 lakh, the 1 centimeter on the map represents 4 lakh centimeter on the ground. So we have to convert it into kilometer because our question has been given to this. So 4 lakh has been divided by 1 lakh. Why? Because RF has been given 1:4 lakh. 1 kilometer represents 1 lakh centimeter. 1 kilometer represents 1 lakh centimeter. So we have divided it here and we will get 4 kilometer on the ground. Step 2, 4 kilometer, we get 4 kilometer on the ground represents 1 centimeter on the map. Look at this, here it is written 1 centimeter on the map represents 4 lakh centimeter on the ground, same as we convert it into kilometer to get our answer. So 4 kilometer on the ground represents 1 centimeter on the map. So 1 kilometer on the ground represents 1/4 as we know how to do this. And the question is asking us 50 kilometer on the ground. The total length of the scale has been given in the question 50. So we have right here 50 kilometer on the ground represents 1/4 into 50 and we get 12.5. Again I am showing you the question. Here is the question. The total length of the scale is 50 kilometer. So here we write over here that 50 kilometer on the ground. The total length has been given in the question. Same we have written here 50 kilometer on the ground represents 1/4 into 50 and we will get 12.5 centimeter. Now step 3, to find out the number of primary division. The formula is total length of the scale, that is 50 kilometer, already written in here, already it is written in the question 50 kilometer. So number of primary division equals to total length of the scale, that is 50 kilometer, that is given in the question. The length of a primary division on the ground, that is also given in the question, that is 10 kilometer. So we divided it and we will get 5 division. So how many primary division we will draw? 5 divisions. And the last step, step 4, number of secondary division. Formula is length of one primary division on ground, that is given in the question, that is 10 kilometer. Length of one secondary division on ground, that is also given in the question, that is 2 kilometer. So if we divided this, we will get 5 division. So number of primary division we will draw 5 and number of secondary division we will draw 5. So let's start how to draw this. এবার যদি বাংলায় যে সকল ছাত্রছাত্রীরা পড়তে চায় তাদের জন্য সলিউশন রইল। প্রথম স্টেপ 1 লিখতে হবে প্রশ্নানুসারে RF 1:4 lakh, যেটা প্রশ্নে অলরেডি দেওয়া ছিল। তাহলে আমরা লিখতে পারি অর্থাৎ মানচিত্রে 1 সেন্টিমিটার দূরত্ব ভূমিভাগে 4 লক্ষ সেন্টিমিটার দূরত্বকে নির্দেশ করে। তাহলে আমরা তো জানি 1 কিলোমিটারকে যদি আমরা সেন্টিমিটারে কনভার্ট করি তাহলে 1 লাখ সেন্টিমিটার হচ্ছে। তাহলে সেটাকে আমরা ভাগ করলে 4 কিলোমিটার পাবো। তারপরে আমরা যাব স্টেপ 2তে, স্কেলের মোট দৈর্ঘ্য নির্ণয়। তাহলে 4 কিলোমিটার পেয়ে গেছি আমরা। কোথায় দূরত্ব পেয়েছি? ভূমিভাগে। তাহলে 4 কিলোমিটার ভূমি দূরত্বে মানচিত্রে যদি 1 সেন্টিমিটারকে নির্দেশ করে তাহলে আমরা যখন খাতায় আঁকবো কত সেন্টিমিটার দিতে হবে? 1 কিলোমিটারে কত? 1/4। আর প্রশ্নে বলে দিয়েছিল 50 কিলোমিটার টোটাল দূরত্ব, সেই দৈর্ঘ্য। তাহলে 50 কিলোমিটার ভূমি দূরত্বে মানচিত্র হবে 1/4 into 50। তাহলে আমরা ভাগ করে কাটাকুটি করে পাবো হচ্ছে 12.5 সেন্টিমিটার। স্টেপ 3তে মুখ্য ভাগের সংখ্যা নির্ণয়, যেখানে আমরা ইংলিশে লিখেছিলাম নাম্বার অফ প্রাইমারি ডিভিশন, সেখানে প্রকৃত ভূমি দূরত্ব যেটা প্রশ্নে অলরেডি বলা আছে 50 কিলোমিটার টোটাল লেন্থ, সেটা লিখেছি ভাগ একটি মুখ্য ভাগের ভূমি দূরত্ব। প্রাইমারি ডিভিশনের লেন্থও বলে দেওয়া ছিল প্রশ্নে, সেখানে বলা হয়েছিল 10 কিলোমিটার, সেটাকে ভাগ করে আমরা কটা ডিভিশন বা কটা ভাগ পেলাম? 5টি। ঠিক তেমনই গৌণ ভাগের সংখ্যা নির্ণয় বা সেকেন্ডারি ডিভিশন, নাম্বার অফ সেকেন্ডারি ডিভিশন যখন আমরা নির্ণয় করবো তার সূত্র ছিল একটি মুখ্য ভাগের ভূমি দূরত্ব যা প্রশ্নে বলে দিয়েছে 10 কিলোমিটার, একটি গৌণ ভাগের ভূমি দূরত্ব প্রশ্নে বলে দিয়েছে 2 কিলোমিটার, ভাগ করে আমরা পেলাম 5টি। তাহলে অঙ্কন করার সময় আমরা 5টি মুখ্য বিভাগ আর 5টি গৌণ বিভাগ অঙ্কন করব। এরপর চলে আসবো কি করে আঁকতে হবে। ফার্স্ট স্টেপ ইজ দ্য টোটাল লেন্থ, দ্য লেন্থ অফ দি ম্যাপ, that is 12.5. So we have to draw a 12.5 centimeter straight line. So 12.5, here is 12, here is 5. So first starting with this, draw a straight line using your scale 12.5 centimeter. Here is 12.5 centimeter. Now second step is use your protractor, put it on the first point and draw an angle within 45 to 30. So here I am taking 40 degree. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Here is my angle. I give it a name, the line AB. You can also write it PQ or CD, anything if you want. Just give it a name. That is AB line. Now I have to divide this angle into 5 divisions. Why? Because here it is said number of primary division is 5 divisions, so I have to draw at least 5 divisions. Now take a compass, and I am here using at least 2 centimeters. And make the same equidistance while you are making 5 divisions. Don't move your compass while making the other divisions. So here is the first point. I'm putting it and make the 5 divisions like 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the 5. So I'm making here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I guess you can see it because I'm drawing it with my pencil and it's not too dark, so I'm giving it a name like P, Q, R, S and T. This is the last point, last division. Now, next step is use these 2 sets of square. The last line we have drawn, put the first sets of square like this at the angle, and the second one parallel to this. Now your right hand side sets will not move, only this one will move. To draw the other lines same distance parallelly according to the first one, to draw the primary division. So how to do this? Use your left hand, don't move your right one. Use your left hand and move it like this where you have drawn your point. My first point was T and the second point is my S. So don't move your right hand, just move your left hand with the sets of square like this, parallelly move it, move it, move it, and here is my point, the S. Now I have to draw this. Same as, now do the next one, that is R. Move the left hand side set square like this, this and this way. Here is my point R. So again I am draw it. Now it is written over here Q, the next point. Don't move your right hand, just move your left hand and put it down. Drag it slowly, slowly, slowly. And here is my point Q. And the last point, that is P. I am not moving this set square. Okay. Be alert about this. And the last point, moving slowly, and the last one is R. I'm drawing it like this. So here are all these same. Their distance will be same, their angle will be same, they are parallel to each other. Now the third step. Step 1 and 2 is done. This is the whole primary division and we will get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, total 5 divisions. Now this primary division converted into secondary division. We will divide this portion of primary division into secondary division. How many of division? 5 division. That is already we have find it in our answer. Step 3 primary division, 5 division. Number of primary division already we have drawn it. Now step 4, the last step, number of secondary division. How much we will draw? At least 5. Not at least. I'm sorry. I have to draw 5 division. Now for making a secondary division, we have to divide it into 5 pieces or 5 divisions. So that at the first point A, I'm putting my protector and making a 90-degree point over here. Same as I'm putting my protector on the first division of the primary and making a 90-degree here. Now the next step is we have to draw a straight line. Draw a 90-degree angle. Same as from this. Now take a compass again and make the same equal distance of 5 division to make a secondary division. So I am taking this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, same as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, same as I'm making here, it same equidistance. It will be the same as above. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we go. Again 5 divisions. Here also I am having 5 divisions. Now again I have to join these two lines. First one is here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The first one with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The first one with the first one. Second one with the second one. Third one with the third one. Now put all the names of each and every point. Here is the primary division and here it is the secondary division. Now the next step is to highlight this point. We have to draw another line. It is 0.4. Just to enhance that, to make it proper primary and secondary division. Now again draw another line between this to enhance it proper. The primary division and also the secondary division, like this. See, now colored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to color it? First one should be black and color the alternative way. The next one, here is the black. If you are coloring from the beginning, the first one should be colored, next one don't color it, it will be reversed. At the downward again it will color. At the end we have to mark it. So this is the primary division, this one is secondary division. So each primary division was 10 kilometers. So the first point should be 0. Here is the 10. Each primary division 20, 30, 40 kilometers. This is the primary division, and the secondary divisions are 2 kilometers. That is 2, 4, 6, 8 and the end 10 kilometers. Each primary division is 10 kilometers. That is already given in the question. So we have marked it from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 kilometers. And the question already given us that each secondary division will be 2 kilometers. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 kilometers. And at the end we should write here that this is primary division. And make a line like this. And here is the secondary division. At the end we have to write the RF. One is to 4 lakh. And put a heading that is linear step. Linear scale. And at the end we have to draw an outline to make it a proper, like this. And if you do this, you will get the full marks. And try to make it clear and proper. So here is the whole thing. So here is the whole linear scale. Hope you understand this, and if you like it, please do subscribe my channel for the more videos, and if you are new, please like and share. Thank you.